What's up guys, the Galaxy S11 will have the same general look as the S10, several leaks have said, although the whole bunch will resemble the Note 10 variant. The most significant upgrade you will be getting next year concerns the camera experience, which is apparently going to be the Galaxy S11 only essential signature feature. And the closer we get to the rumored mid-Feb launch event, the more camera details we have for you. The same insider who criticized some of the recent Galaxy S11 renders is back with more insight about the Galaxy S11's camera design and functionality. The leaker said on Twitter in separate posts that the Galaxy S11's rear-facing camera system will look much cleaner than what renders had suggested. He said in his tweet that I confirm again, the camera of the Galaxy S11 Plus is not so messy, so it doesn't look bad. He went ahead and detailed the camera arrangement on the back, saying that the Galaxy S11 Plus will feature 3 cameras on the left side of the rectangular camera module, including an ultra-wide-angle lens, primary camera, and the periscope zoom lens. In another tweet, he says, "This is the real Galaxy S11 Plus camera. On the left is the ultra-wide-angle main camera and a periscope zoom lens. I don't know the exact distribution on the light. It is expected to include flash and TOF. Linking these 3 sensors, there should be a flash and time-of-flight depth camera," the leaker said in his tweet. In a separate tweet, S11 showed us an image of the purported periscope camera that Samsung will use for the Galaxy S11 series, which is a camera that will deliver enhanced optical zoom. And yeah guys, finally, the insider also posted a somewhat cryptic tweet that reveals some of the specification of Galaxy S11 Plus camera. He says in his tweet, Galaxy S11 Plus 108 megapixel and 12 megapixel. What that means is the primary camera of the Galaxy S11 Plus will have 108 megapixel, a detail we have heard before. But this is the first time we hear about how these pixels will be used. Samsung will apparently merge 9 pixels into a single 2.4 pixel, resulting in a top resolution of 12 megapixel. We have seen this type of technology from other smartphone makers, and the purpose of it is to improve low-light photography. Quad pixel, for example, is a marketing term coined to describe technology that combines 4 pixels into a single bigger one. Other Galaxy S11 variants will likely feature the same 108 megapixel primary camera. According to a recent leak, Samsung should unveil the Galaxy S11 during a media event on Feb 18th. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.